Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this video will help you with your FSA review packet for week 2, day 1, and question 2. This says Dante bought a computer that was 20% off the regular price of $1,080. If an 8% sales tax was added to the cost of the computer, what would the total price Dante pay for it? Or what was the total price Dante paid for it? For these, I like to go through the word problem and make sure that we know what's going on. So we know we're buying a computer, and we know that it's 20% off. So I know I'm going to put a little subtraction sign above off, because I know that 20% needs to subtract from the total. And then after that, we have an 8% sales tax, and I put a little plus above the tax because I know that tax is always added. It even says right here that it's added to the cost. So the first thing we need to do is take $1,080 and we need to times it by the percent of 20, but we need to take that percent and turn it into a decimal, because we can't work with percentages like this. We have to put them in their decimal form. We just need to move the decimal twice, once, twice, and that will become 0.20. So I can take 10,080 and times it by 0.20, and that's going to give me $216. And I already said up here, I made a little note that we're going to subtract, so I need to take 10,080 and I need to subtract that 216 from it. So I can take the 10,080, subtract $216, and I will get $864. So now this 864 is our new total, because we took the 20% off, so that's what we're going to pay for it. So if we took this computer up to the register to buy it, and we would pay $864, but we need to pay that 8% tax. So we do the tax in the same way. We need to take this percent and turn it into a decimal, and we need to move it over twice, but we notice that once goes through the 8, so we need to go one more time, and that is going to add another 0 to it. And we also learned in the previous video that if we want to add the tax in one shot, we can use a 1. We can put a 1 first, because this 1 represents this whole. Remember, 1 is one whole. So one whole computer cost of $864, and then we can use our 0.08 to represent our tax, and we can multiply that. That way we can do the adding part in one shot. So we take the 864, we times it by the 1.08, and we're going to get $933.12. Alright, so if you had a question about right here, just go ahead and watch the previous video and you'll know why we can add a 1 here, and we can do the adding in one shot. Well, I hope this video helps. Stay tuned for more.